I have Ivann and Nivin with me today. Let's see what we can catch today. So this is Ivann's rod, and we're using coconut cake mixed with flour. In this way, we have around 4-5 hooks buried in this coconut cake. Let's see if we can catch something on this. When I come out to riverbanks for fishing, I usually carry these steel rod holders. These are made out of 10 mm steel rods. Earlier in my videos you might have seen different version of rod holders which I am using, made of PVC pipes, 8 mm TMT rods, and this one. If you want to know how I made this one, you may refer to the link in the description. Just a few minutes after casting, we got the first strike on one of the rod. This river downstream connects to a large reservoir which schools a variety of fish. Now during rains, these species move upstream on these streams, rivers for spawning. After spawning, some return and some stay back, making this river as their stay. This river offers an enriched riverbed with full of weeds, sunken wooden logs underneath, giving a strong, safe and shady hiding place for fish to prolong their stay. So such places when you fish, you don't have to look for particular spots much but just work on attractants like bait smell, where coconut cake works well. I don't know the name of this. Looks like a panfish. This fish over here in Kerala is called Chemballi. It is a kind of a freshwater snapper, you can say. It grows big. This is a very small one which we have caught. They are heavy feeders and they kind of almost keep eating all the time. Full of pokey bones on the upper side, but the back tail is little bit reddish in color. And the back tail and the kadichittu. Nivi, sure. You lost the dragonfly? Can you see now? The next strike was after an hour, and this was on Nivin's rod which had chicken as bait. Now my experience is that fish usually feed in the early morning or in the evening when the sun goes down, and that too for a short period of time, say around 30 to 40 minutes. So if you're casting between this feeding hour, you'll get the probability of having the fish is more, and later to that the entire activity goes dull again. Otherwise it has to be a scenario where the water is murky, maybe because of heavy rain and all, when you can find fish at any point of time throughout the day. This is what Nivin has got, barely hooked on the side, and this is the beauty of this fish. Nivin, you want to hold? അങ്ങനെയാണോ? ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ഇവിടെ പിടിക്കണം. മതി മതി. Now that is a panfish. വേദന എടുത്തോ? കടിച്ചെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കൊത്തി നിവേൻ നീ എന്തിനാ അതിനകത്ത് കളിക്കാൻ പോയ Ivann, Nivin, did you enjoy today's fishing?
Yes.
Okay, so time to say goodbye and we'll meet you again in next video.
Video.
Until then,
Goodbye.